how to use Bitflyer. In today's video, I'll be showing you the ways to use Bitflyer. So in order to use Bitflyer, all you have to do is first of all create an account. So first thing, we'll begin by creating an account. So for that, open up a browser. On the web address bar, type in www.bitflyer.com. This is going to take you to the official web page. And here you'll need to go ahead and tap on create an account if you don't have an account. But if you already have an account, then you can tap the login button, enter in your credential and log in into your account. Now then, to begin with, go ahead and tap the create an account button. You'll have to select between two different accounts. So here you need to go ahead and select the account type. So I'm going to go with the individual account. And after you're done with that, now enter in the email address that you want to register with and click the sign up for free, which is located right at the bottom. Now it's going to ask you to verify your email address. So all you have to do is just open up your email and then click the verify my link button located right at the bottom. So once you're done verifying your email, so after that it's going to ask you to set a password. Once you're done setting a password, next page it's going to ask you to verify your information. So in order to verify your information, all you have to do is just provide in your personal details, your contact details and all sort of things. If you don't want to verify it as well, then you can simply skip that part and move on with the other procedure. So after that, it's going to directly take you to the home page indicating that you've successfully created your account. So here you'll need to go ahead and confirm to all of the agreement, go through it all and then click the agree button located right at the bottom. Now it's going to ask you to verify your information. So for that, you need to go through 4 steps. So basically you'll have to provide in your information, that is your personal information, your contact details and all sorts of things. But if you don't want to verify your account, then you can also skip this part. Just tap the skip button located right at the bottom and then tap the yes button. It is going to directly take you to the home page indicating that you've successfully created your account. But you'll need to verify it in order to make transaction or to transfer bitcoins, cryptos, send cryptos, all sort of things. In this way you can use Bitflyer on your device. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.